Alright, I have received a package from Casterman Axe and Tool. We're going to have an unboxing, show you what an unboxing would be like. So we'll bring you in close and show you what it's all about. So this is what the box is going to look like. Got a Casterman decal here, made in the USA. And my shipping label was right here where it came to me. So looking at this, the decal itself says Casterman Axe and Tool, established 2020, hand forged, and again made in the USA. Just going to open her up here. That's an artist depiction of Gunny. That decal is. So I cut that one out. Alright, so Brian, as many of you know, I like letters in the box, hidden letters in the box. So let's open this up. I don't know what it'll say, and we'll just see. Boom. Again, thank you, Casterman Axe and Tool. High quality product, hand forged, Gunny approved. Got me a note right here. It says, Brian, this is dated 5/6/2025. Brian, I'd like to thank you so much for everything you do to help make the company resonate and achieve identity. What you're able to bring to the entire axe community is really something special. You truly keep the spirit of the axe alive, literally every day. So again, thanks. Please accept this without any preconceived notions. As I said before, do with it what you will. Hopefully its journey will be long and fruitful. All the best, Winston. Very beautiful. And again, look at this, how pretty. Casterman Axe and Tool. Thank you, Mr. Winston. So as the plane begins to fly over, let's see how he packs this thing. Lots of wrapped brown paper, highly recyclable. And then within that, bubble wrap. So for the first layer of bubble wrap, the leather sheath itself is wrapped. A sheath is made out of bubble wrap, wrapped in tape. Let me cut that loose. And we'll get up close on the sheath here in just a minute. Okay, then the end of the handle is wrapped pretty heavy right here around the bulb end of the handle. And then we open the top part, it's taped, and this is like a sheath, and the axe will slide out in that direction. After we cut the tape on the bulb end, a very shallow cut right here. Okay. There we go. Alright, so there's the axe. Let's put a tape on it. And obviously, straight handle. We're at 32 inches from the top of the eye to the very bulb. 32 inches. Get on the other side, make sure that we do have this on camera. My body may be blocking the view. 32 inches. All right, let's get a head weight. So here's our electronic scale. You get a total axe weight. £5, 10 ounces. 5 pounds, 10 ounces. So you remember the other Timberpilot that I have is, I think it's 5 pounds, 11 ounces. It's 5 pounds, 10 ounces, 0.8, 10.8. Okay, so it's very close to what the other one weighed. Very close. So this is the forged bevel chopper. It's a 20-degree bevel. CTP USA. That's Casterman Timberpilot USA. Okay. See if I can get this grain to focus here. There we go. Just for a moment. There we go. All right. And let's look at the haft. My daylight is fading somewhat. It's hard to get it just right with the lighting. Those of you that make videos know this. Beautiful fitment. Very nice. Very nice. Look at the pole. Okay, let's look at the top of the eye. Mr. Winston's this is not a cross wedge, okay? And again, a hint of those forged bevels. So this is a straight wedge. I'm assuming this is going to hold just as good as the cross wedge. Now, I personally have heard that a cross wedge is not as strong as a standard wedge. Here we go. Mr. Honecker stamp, and Honecker Blacksmithing out of West Virginia. I do believe that's correct. Okay. So on the website, as well as in personal notes and in all kinds of documentation and literature, these things are deadly dangerous sharp. And that's not an exaggeration. They are shaving, hair-popping sharp and beyond, okay? And Mr. Winston knows how to do it. I've actually got some a video saved of him shaving his face with them. So just keep that in mind. Now, obviously, we're going to put a patina on this thing naturally. Well, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said that. You're not supposed to talk about what you're going to do. You just show the results. But I think that men have patterns of behavior, and they're very repeatable if you watch them over a long period of time. So you guys know what I'm going to do if the Lord wills. My health holds out and I'm allowed to do so. Very beautiful, Mr. Winston. The leather work. Let's look at that. Get some fading sun inside there. Heavy rivets. Heavy leather. Good looking snap. Let's put it on. See how it looks. All right, there we go. A real nice fit up. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. So here's a view of the haft and the blade and eye alignment. Looks very good. Let me angle left and right. And we'll get a view from the top of the eye down. All right, there we go. Looks very straight. Very straight. And right and left angles. Okay, and again, this is the 20-degree chopping model. All right, Casterman Timberpilot. Very nice. Very nice. Well, the sun's beginning to set here. I look forward to using the axe. I thought I better get a unboxing video out there before I started using the axe. I invite you to look at Mr. Casterman's website and his YouTube channel and understand how this was developed, how it came to be, his research, his development, and his workmanship, all on the website and on his YouTube channel. Everybody, thank you for watching up to this point. Do give Casterman Axe and Tool a look, and we do hope to use this axe. And say we do more than unboxings here.